Good afternoon, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures on Monday afternoon, October 28th, with some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get started. Well, currently, we've got crude prices a little bit firmer right now. We're trading up about 80 cents. Right around about 98.65. And what we've seen here, price action so far today, is the market has been kind of continuing to climb a little bit further here, a little bit follow through from Friday's bounce up. We're seeing that. You look at the 10, 15-minute chart, kind of had a little bit of a double topping type action right now. So, we are running into a little resistance up here, but we are a little bit firmer. Brent, on the other hand, quite a bit firmer. We're up a little over $2.50 there right now, trading around 109.44. So seeing some firmer tone there. Natural gas getting pounded right now. We're down about 13 to 15 cents. And the complex is up about 4 to 5 cents. So we're really seeing the complex there moving quite a bit higher. Kind of a little bit of a disconnect there, I think, right now, with what we're seeing in crude prices. Again, crude up only about 80 cents and the complex up 4 to 5 cents there. So certainly seeing a breakaway there. Now, part of what's keeping crude prices a little bit firmer here so far most of this morning into the afternoon, global markets here for the most part, including our S&P, have basically had a bit of a firmer tone. So that's certainly, I think, lending a little bit of support to the market. In addition to that, traders, this seems to be obviously talking about the Fed, that they don't see any tapering here into the early, maybe even second quarter here of next year. So again, cheap, easy money flowing around. So they're talking about that, lending a little bit of support here to the market. But I got to tell you, what I think is really going on is simply this. We got a little bit of corrective bounce here in the market. If you've been following my other posts, you know that my opinion has been short on this market. We've really seen prices come back here quite a bit. Right now, I think what you've got going on, short-term technical indicators are telling me, as I mentioned last week in my post here, I think this market's due for a little bit of a bounce up. Take a look at your technicals on this here now. If you go back to around October 4th, October 3rd, when we were kind of hitting a high here for the month, and you go back here now to October 25th, we were kind of hitting the low there in the market. Look at your 50% Fibonacci retracement levels. They're taking you up to right around about 99.5. Just so happens to be that's about where the 200-day moving average is. So I think what we really got going on here is a market basically seeing a little bit of a bounce up, 50% retracement, a little bit of a corrective action if we can get up to around 99, maybe 99.5. And then ultimately, I think prices are going to continue to weaken. Why? Simple. We've talked about this in so many posts here. Check out your supply and demand situation. Supplies certainly appear to be more than ample, in my opinion. We'll take a look at API numbers here tomorrow afternoon. And then, of course, the EIA numbers on Wednesday morning. But we know what we've been seeing there. We've been seeing builds. We've got currently, for this time of year, we've got basically record stockpiles. Look at our 5-year average versus the level that we have on hand. I think we've got plenty of oil out there right now. Notice while the equities market here over the last 2 weeks here was making new highs, crude prices were actually selling off. So we're seeing that disconnect, in the marketplace. So ultimately, I think we will see prices maybe bounce up a little bit. But my thought process is that crude prices are probably going to continue to move lower. I just don't think that the demand is out there, and I think we got plenty of supplies out there. Give me a call, shoot me an email, we talk to you about some strategies and how you can play this. For those of you that might be new to futures trading, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to set you up for an excellent trading platform that we have here, RJO Futures Pro, and I'll even put in $100,000 there for a demo account so you can kind of practice this and get a feel for how that oil market moves, and also you can put my opinions to test in there in the marketplace in real time, because it'll have real-time streaming charts and quotes for you. Give me a call. That's the only way I'll set you up with that free demo account is if you call me, because I do have to get some information from you. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk, may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.